Welcome to Inspiring Minds, a podcast talk show organized by DPS Rourkela that celebrates achievers, leaders, and change makers who motivate us to dream bigger and work harder. This show is hosted by Kashvi Prasad, student of DPS Rourkela, who brings fresh perspectives from young India. In our very first episode, we are honored to feature Shri Nitesh Wadhwani, Superintendent of Police, Rourkela. A dedicated officer, a disciplined leader, and an inspiration to many, Shri Wadhwani's journey reflects courage, service, and determination. Stay tuned as Kashvi engages in a thought provoking conversation with him, uncovering stories and insights that will truly inspire young minds.
Namaste and a very good morning. Today, I welcome you to Delhi Public School, Rourkela's first podcast session with Shri Nitesh Wadhwani sir. I am Kashvi Prasad from class 11H and today I will be your host for the day. Today, I am here and privileged to discuss a very serious and consequential topic, that is, the health, wellness, safety and security of students in our city. Before we begin, I would like to say that I am immensely grateful to my teachers and my respected principal ma'am, Madam Manisha Singh, for having given me this opportunity and platform to not only educate myself, but also spread awareness amongst all. Thank you, respected Nitesh Wadhwani sir, Superintendent of Police, Rourkela, for taking out the time to discuss such crucial issues. This exposure means the world to me.
Thank you.
Namaste, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
I hope you're doing well.
I'm all good. How are you?
Today, I have a couple of questions for you regarding the health, wellness, safety, and security of students. These are some major concerns in present time, and we'd like your valuable insight. So, maybe begin this podcast with your permission, sir.
Sure thing.
Okay. So, the first question that I have for you, sir, is how did you come about in the police? What mental challenges did it pose for you and other personnels? How do you relate it to current state of mental health of students?
See, I joined in the 18 batch. So I have done my schooling from Agra. After that, I'm an engineer. So I started as an on-site engineer. After that, I stumbled upon the exam. So I started studying, I think, somewhere around 2013 or so, and I appeared in the exam again and again, and ultimately I joined the 18 batch. See, I spent 6-7 साल यहाँ पे. What I can understand कि average hours of जो है on ground work all of us do here in our job. It is extremely stressful always because you are the one who has to go on ground and handle
You're responsible for a lot.
all such issues, all the stuff.
Yes, sir.
It is, and especially those guys who are there at the Thana on ground. They have to handle all such issues every day. We have around 8,000 or so cases every year here. So, and इसमें क्या है कि expectations are also quite high.
जी sir.
Okay. It is expected of you to solve all 8,000 of them. So, as such, on ground, it is a extremely stressful job, but at the end of the day, only thing you feel कि if you get 80 लोग अगर एक दिन में आ रहे हैं आपके ऑफिस में, थाना में आ रहे हैं, आप उनमें से हाफ को भी अगर instantly if you can help, it's a huge win. So only that inspires actually all of us to अपना और भी इनपुट के लिए और भी हार्डवर्क के लिए I would say, and I would say कि I think especially all the students के लिए भी I would say the same standard of stress I see in schools also आजकल. It is not that ki only all of us are only stressed. All the students also in the age of artificial intelligence, internet, socials, it is extremely tough to actually to be a student and excel at your studies also. Plus, since the day you are born, all of all आपके स्कूल टीचर्स हुए, एवरीवन, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव एक्सपेक्टेशंस आप लोगों से अच्छा खासा. तो एट टाइम्स क्या है, आइसोलेशन में क्या है कि यू अंडरस्टैंड स्लोली स्लोली कि एक्सपेक्टेशंस आर अ लॉट फ्रॉम मी. तो दैट आई थिंक is a standard for all the students also, and all those who are OSIP employed also. It is everyone is into their own struggle, and stress जो है आजकल की एज में स्पेशली it is everywhere.
Next question is, sir, in your view, what are the primary concerns, causes, and triggers behind drug abuse and suicide rates? Can they be academic pressure, social isolation, peer influence, or something else, sir?
I think it would include all these things.
Yes.
According to me, सबसे ज़्यादा important जो है आजकल, what you see on Instagram and what you observe in your school also. ठीक है. It starts off as especially I would speak about after abuse of drugs.
Yes.
It starts off as कि हाँ, it is done only to seem cool. ठीक है. And I can say to all the students here, it is not cool. It is extremely harmful for health. Plus, but it starts off as if ki I would only experiment.
Yes.
Okay. Then it experiment से it is actual occasional use. फिर it is always ki it is used in a group.
Yes.
So and it can be due to a lot of things. The standard of ये जो है कि stress you experience in schools, तो as soon as you are out of schools, you feel कि I can experiment and it won't harm me. It is okay. Already I am under stress. But all these things, the solution to stress is not this.
No, it is not.
It is not at all. I would only say कि from our angle, if you see, easy access is also a issue which we try to curb. I think there was a recent case here. We apprehended around 8 individuals or so who were only into this. All of them were extremely small age guys, और उनका objective ही था कि all these schools में if anyone wants any drugs for ये सब, we apprehended them, interrogated them. We understood एक चीज extremely standard कि those who start off as occasional users, only all of them also are involved in all these things. So see, if you understand, it's a slope.
So there is always a pattern, sir. There is always a fixed pattern.
If you start off small, it is always a slope. You will go down at a high speed only. उसके बाद आपको stop करने के लिए और कोई नहीं कि I can achieve this, but we should not be stressed about that. See, and इसमें सबसे important role जो आजकल है, I think Instagram and all these things, इसमें क्या है कि आफ्टर अ वाइल यू फील सोशल आइसोलेशन.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you see there on ground or on screens, okay, so you think it is easily achievable, it can be done. तो आप उसको आइडियल एज्यूम करके यू फील कि यार कि योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस are also higher, and the stakes are extremely high. And एक बार अगर एग्जाम में if you fail and you feel कि यार all is gone, I would here I would also state or set the examples of all the aspirants of all this exam. We fail this exam again and again.
Yes, sir.
UPSC is also, it is like extremely tough. Still, I would say it is not as tough as IIT or.
सर एकेडमिक प्रेशर इस मामले में जैसे आपने ड्रग अब्यूज का बात किया, so suicide rates, they're not exactly linked with drug abuse, right? A very vital, important, prominent reason for suicide rates among students is often the academic pressure which is leading to social isolation. So sir, what are your thoughts on that?
I think all these schools में आजकल ना stakes are possibly extremely high.
Extremely high.
In schools, all of us are also informed कि आपको इसके बाद ये एग्जाम के लिए स्टडी करना है, ये एग्जाम के लिए स्टडी करना है. तो here I would only say कि see, as a student we should always know कि I can achieve this, but we should not be stressed about that. See, and इसमें सबसे important role जो आजकल है, I think Instagram and all these things, इसमें क्या है कि after a while you feel social isolation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what you see there on ground or on screens, okay, so you think it is easily achievable, it can be done. तो आप उसको आइडियल एज्यूम करके यू फील कि यार कि योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस are also higher, and the stakes are extremely high. And एक बार अगर एग्जाम में if you fail and you feel कि यार all is gone, I would here I would also state or set the examples of all the aspirants of all this exam. We fail this exam again and again.
Yes, sir.
UPSC is also, it is like extremely tough. Still, I would say it is not as tough as IIT or.
तो आप बात कर रहे थे अबाउट एकेडमिक प्रेशर और सोशल आइसोलेशन, तो एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस थोड़ा सा शेयर करना चाहूँगी. मैं जब क्लास 10 में थी, मैं अभी क्लास 11 की स्टूडेंट हूँ, मुझे क्लास 10 में थी और मेरा पहला यूनिट टेस्ट का एग्जाम हुआ था. मेरे मैथ्स के सब्जेक्ट के में बहुत गंदे मार्क्स आए थे सर, एंड मैं घर रो रो के गई थी. एंड ग्लैडली इनफ माई फादर वॉज understanding of the situation enough to help me understand as well that it is not the end of the world, and that there is always more to give, and there is always more for me to come from. मेरे से मैथ्स नहीं होता है तो मेरे से कुछ और हो जाएगा. So I feel that kind of human relation is also very important, sir. In the age of Instagram, we often let go of the connect that humans have with each other. Like sir, हम लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, this is truly a very good experience. But एक chat box के अंदर वो नहीं हो पाता है सर. So that is a personal experience from what you said.
यानी आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन एक्सीलेंट है इस चीज में. आई वुड से कि सी इन anywhere you go, school, engineering, anything, MBBS, any exam you go, you need to have that. आपके लिए एक आपका स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट, if you have to keep yourself straight, family is extremely important.
Yes, sir, it is.
As I would say, and you also have to understand the, as your dad also said, exams are not the end of the world. It's not an end in itself also, I will say, it is only to judge on that day how excellent are you.
Yes.
ठीक है, it is only on that specific day. It won't change how intelligent are you and how smart you are. I was an average student. I have always been an extremely average student. Only after schooling I understood कि exams are only a tool
Yes.
to actually see uh, how you can show yourself how much I have studied, how much I know on only that specific.
So my next question is, what barriers do you think prevents students from seeking help or reporting issues like abuse, threats, or addiction?
I think it's still a stigma. See, if any student, if any student हुआ, अगर इसको any issue आ रहा है, ठीक है, if he approaches his school also,
Yes.
और अगर school में if he is uncomfortable, family को also approach करता है, तो first thing is कि all of them judge कि यार क्यों हुआ इसके साथ, इसने ऐसा क्यों किया. इट इज लाइक दैट कि आपके पास अगर कोई आया है कि इस टाइप का इशू है मुझे, योर फर्स्ट थॉट इज कि इट इज इन हिज और हर कंट्रोल. व्हाई डिड ही और शी डू दिस?
Yes.
दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस. इट इज स्टिल आपका स्टिग्मा इसके साथ ह्यूजली अटैच्ड है. इट्स एन एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि आपको इसीलिए स्टूडेंट्स को स्टार्टिंग में इवन इफ दे हैव इश्यूज, ठीक है, दे फील एक्सट्रीमली स्केर्ड टू इट. इवन इफ यू हैव इफ यू आर अंडर स्ट्रेस, आपको एंजाइटी भी है, तो यू डोंट अप्रोच एनीवन. यू फील कि आई विल हैंडल ऑन माय ओन. दैट शुड नॉट बी द केस. इंडिया में ये चीज इट्स हाई टाइम अब इट शुड चेंज. प्लस क्या है ना कि स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स का क्या है कि इवन इफ वो इस स्टिग्मा से आउट आ गए,
जी.
ठीक है, they don't know who to approach.
Yes, sir.
Who to approach first, whom I should talk. इसीलिए specifically if you have seen last month से we started and a special thing in all these schools. We have gone to around 18 or so schools उस टाइप का अब तक, इसी अवेयरनेस के लिए कि if you have any issues regarding any health concern also, if you are under stress also, if you have anything, if you feel कि आपके स्कूल में ऑफेंस हो रहा है, कि स्टॉकिंग हो रही है, कि harassment हो रहा है, you can approach us. Your identity would be kept. It won't be shared with anyone, not even with your school or anyone else. तो I think आपके थ्रू में और स्टूडेंट्स को भी इसके लिए especially I would say that कि feel free to approach us, even if you don't want to share your information also. If you have a specific issue also, you can always approach us for any kind of advice. तो ये two things if you can overcome, एक stigma plus whom to approach, I think students उसके बाद उनके issues जो है कि slowly it can be streamlined.
Sir, my next question is, आपने बताया कि awareness programs आप schools जा रहे हैं, at 18-19 schools you're going to. So what kind of awareness programs is Rourkela Police taking initiatives to do? And how effective are they? And do they face any hurdles and how do you overcome them?
Okay. I think we have been इनिशियल अवेयरनेस जो हम लोगों ने इधर स्टार्ट किया था, इट वाज अबाउट साइबर क्राइम, रोड सेफ्टी, ऑल दी स्टैंडर्ड थिंग्स. अब क्या है कि ओवर द टाइम वी आल्सो अंडरस्टूड कि स्टूडेंट्स के स्पेसिफिक इश्यूज भी हैं यहाँ पे, कि उनके स्ट्रेस लेवल्स आर हाई, प्लस ड्रग अब्यूज इज आल्सो एन इशू, प्लस स्कूल्स में जो टाइप का एटमोसफियर है आजकल, इट इज नॉट इन योर हैंड्स.
No.
एट टाइम्स इट इज गुड, एट टाइम्स इट इज बैड ऑल्सो. तो उन सब इश्यूज के ऊपर we have started awareness and it is yielded अच्छे outcomes. I think last month we got call from around 18 or so students,
Okay.
which was not there earlier.
Okay.
So I think इस चीज को I would say कि it's a start.
Yes, sir.
Even if we help them understand ki what can be done, whom they have to approach, and how their specific issue it can be solved, it would be a huge win for us also. Impact wise, I would say ki cyber mein I've seen huge changes. As I stated also earlier also आपको कि आज के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं they are going to educate the whole world.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो if we start awareness from there it would have a huge impact whole area के ऊपर,
जी
आम
सर।
लोगों के ऊपर भी. तो साइबर में we have seen a huge drop. I think जो भी huge इस टाइप के scams थे, there आपके stock market scams are if you see the statistics last half year में it is gone down a lot. Almost all have understood there is no easy way to earn anything.
Yes.
So OTPs are not being shared, information is not being shared. Students are also smarter now. Aadhaar card information, all this
Enough
information.
awareness has been spread to the public to make them understand कि scams क्या होते हैं, differentiate करना
Yes.
सीख गए हैं लोग.
Yes, yes.
जी.
And अब इसी स्टेज पे I would say कि I think few students have also helped us actively in informing कि सर ड्रग अब्यूज उनके अगर स्पेसिफिक इंस्टीट्यूट्स के आगे आउटसाइड अगर है तो हाउ स्प्रेड इट इज, एंड वी आल्सो हैव एक्टेड ऑन दैट. तो इट्स ऑलवेज अप्रोच, इट हैज टू बी कि ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स और यहाँ के आम लोग एंड वी आर ऑल एक टीम है हम लोग.
जी सर.
आवर जॉब इज नॉट इंडिविजुअल स्पेसिफिक. एक इंडिविजुअल का काम ये नहीं है. जब तक आम लोगों का हेल्प नहीं आएगा उस टाइम तक it would be hard to ensure that all the area is crime free. So it has helped a lot.
Sir, you spoke about how it is important that the community comes together to make sure that this initiative is successful. Yes, sir. तो अभी तक hurdles क्या-क्या आए हैं सर? Like
इसमें I would say only hurdle we face initial stages में क्या है कि still I see कि students fear approaching us.
yes.
That was a huge hurdle. So what we did, we ensure कि जब भी हम schools में awareness के लिए जाते हैं तो few individuals don't go in khaki.
Okay.
They are your guys, and it is not a एक time thing. एक time awareness, it might not be helpful. We have to reach out to students again and again.
Yes.
Apart from that, एक हम लोगों ने अच्छा इनिशिएटिव जो यहाँ पे स्टार्ट किया है, each week में एक दिन we ask school students to come to Thana and see how we work,
Yes.
how SP office also operates. तो इसमें each week स्टूडेंट्स को all the schools को all of us उस टाइप का अप्रोच वीक में एक दिन we arrange students के exposure के लिए in Thana as well as in SP office also.
जी सर.
So how it helps उसे if you ask me, तो if in initial stages students feel कि I know about the law, I am already exposed, I have gone, I have seen how they work, so you would be able to easily approach us. That is our objective also.
जी सर. Okay, sir. Next question is, how does social media and primarily unmonitored screen exposure for young children, मैंने देखा है कि मेरे घर में पड़ोस में बहुत सारे अभी के जो बच्चे हैं वो लोग खाना खाते वक्त स्क्रीन देखते हैं और सोते नहीं है तो उनके पेरेंट्स उनको स्क्रीन दिखा के सोते हैं. बट सर गलत लगता है, बट समझ में नहीं आता कि ये गलत कैसे है. तो आपके इसमें थॉट्स क्या हैं सर?
इसमें आई वुड से कि यूसी आजकल की डेट में जो है कि स्मार्टफोन एडिक्शन
जी,
इट्स एन एक्चुअल थिंग.
इट इज.
ओके. और ये क्या है कि आपका इनिशियल एज से ही स्टार्ट होता है. Once you learn from a small age what smartphone addiction is, so as you grow it would only increase. If you have seen small kids, अगर 2 साल के small kids भी if you have seen, if they see a phone they know कि इसका यूज क्या है, उठा के उसको ऐसे स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. इवन इफ दे डोंट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट दैट फोन. ओके. इस चीज में आई वुड से कि इट इज अप टू अस एंड अप टू एवरीवन एल्स आल्सो. ये वाली habit it should be stopped at a small age only.
Yes.
And especially small kids क्या है कि what they see they will emulate.
Yes.
Okay. So
They don't really know any different.
you should always assume that they are going to emulate what you are doing.
Yes.
So it is up to us, up to everyone else also to ensure the atmosphere in houses, homes. It is like this कि आपका एक specific time slot हो
जी.
कि इसमें I should not use smartphone, I should spend time with them. तो I think it is the only way आगे वाली एज को if we can stop उस टाइप का अभी से ही स्टार्टिंग से एज से ही यूथ में यंगस्टर्स में स्पेशली स्कूल गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स में आफ्टर 8th क्लास और सो अगर स्मार्टफोन you see, as I stated, Instagram का influence like everyone is on Instagram. If you see 8th class students के आसपास भी आजकल स्मार्टफोन्स आते हैं.
जी.
I think okay, आजकल internet and smartphone is an excellent tool उसको एजुकेशन के लिए भी.
Yes.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस also there, but use has to be specific.
Specific.
ठीक है. It is up to the students also to have a specific schedule कि इतना टाइम I have spare time. तो इसमें आजकल स्मार्टफोन्स में you can also see your screen time also.
Yes, sir.
It's an excellent tool to actually see how much phone you have used. Anything above 2 hours a day, and that I'm specifying including your और time भी आपका education time on phone on chats. ठीक है. Anything above 2 hours is also extremely harmful.
Harmful.
It should be kept under 1 घंटा. If you keep it, it's a huge win आज के एज में.
So, sir, can you share any data or observation about how intervention by police in matters of drug abuse and suicide rates has helped at-risk students?
Yes, I think last month, as I stated, we got अच्छा खासा input
जी.
आपके students से भी कि it was about a lot of issues. अब one specific issue जो अपने को बहुत अच्छे से याद है कि a student जो है college going student,
जी.
she had emailed someone ki I'm going to harm myself, and we got that information in time. We were able to help her. I talked to her also straight away. She was उसका हेल्थ केयर के ऊपर स्पेशल स्ट्रेस दिया था. काउंसलिंग इट वाज डन अपोलो में भी, आरजीएच में भी. तो she has done extremely well now.
Yes, sir. That's a very good thing to hear.
So it feels good अगर एक भी स्टूडेंट को we can help like this. But I would only say in anyone has any doubt about anything, if they feel low anytime, all these schools में अभी जो awareness के event start हुए हैं, we have shared a specific information. You can always approach that number also. आपसे भी I will share की screen में, if you can add there also. So
National helpline, sir.
नहीं, it is specific to our area also. Okay.
Okay.
So it is being handled by our staff here.
Okay, that is
Okay.
very good.
ताकि instantly all the students, all of them, it can be helped. So I'll share उसका information also. If you feel only कि I don't have anyone to जो है कि approach also to talk, anyone can approach that number. We assure you we will try अच्छे से कि आपका excellent way में help हो पाए.